Today we're grilling out and having a picnic, and we don't want to be disturbed by any unwanted guests. And by that, I mean flies. So we're setting up some fly fans to keep our food fly free. And these fly fans come shipped to your door in a pack of 3. Inside the box, you have your instructions: 3 USB-C charging cables, 3 packs of clip-on leaves, 3 clip-on fans, and then 3 fly fan bases. On the bottom, you have a fold-out hook so you can hang these, as well as a battery compartment. Each fan takes 2 AA batteries, not included. To get started, straighten out the stems and push down the fan blades. Then clip on your leaves. Now you can plug these into a power source and run them indefinitely, so I plugged them up and gave them a test. Flies are naturally attracted to shining light, and the first thing I noticed is how the fly fans catch the sunlight and shimmer as they spin. They also spin pretty fast. I don't think they'd actually harm a fly, but it would distract them from your food and deter them for sure. You can also put in 2 AA batteries and have them be more portable. So I put in the batteries and got ready for the evening. We were grilling out and having a little picnic. So I put a fly fan by the grill to keep the flies away, as well as one on the table to keep flies off of our cooked food. It ran the whole time we were out there, and it was cute to see it spinning away next to our spread of food. I can see where it would be helpful for sure. Now, to be fair, we didn't see any flies this day. Perhaps we ate the food too quickly, or our chickens and birds that we've been attracting to the property are doing their jobs. But what I can say is next time I go camping in a buggy area, these will be coming with me for sure. So if you'd like to keep your food fly free as well, these fly fans might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go eat dinner in peace. See ya.